Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts and we have some glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, taking a quick look at our insert schedule. Today is August the 21st, so we should be receiving a Smart Source and a Save insert in today's newspapers. Alright, now before we get into the new digital coupons, we have to talk about the Dollar General clearance event, which if you all didn't know, has been going on all weekend, and today, August the 21st, is the last day, and we do have some new deals that you guys need to be aware of because there are some pretty good deals, alright? Now, if you missed my full clearance event video, I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out. Alright, so first up, we have Comfort Bay pillows. They are now buy one, get one free. And we have Red Dot Comfort Bay pillows included in this clearance event. So these are currently at 50% off, plus they are buy one, get one free. So that means you're going to pay just $4 for 2 Comfort Bay pillows. Now we also have Red and Green Dot home items, swim and summer toys, and lawn and garden. All of those categories are currently at 50% off, but this is the last day that they're going to be at 50% off. But they're also on sale this week. Buy 2 and get one for free. But today, Sunday, is the only day that you're going to get them at 50% off. Plus, you can take advantage of that sale, pick up 2 of them at 50% off, and get one for completely free. Alright, now the next thing we need to talk about is the new 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now, I personally have not received one on any of my accounts yet, but I have noticed that these are kind of trickling in. So some people received this on their accounts last week and some received it over the weekend. So just be on the lookout, keep checking your wallet in your app, and look for those just for you coupons. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now I kind of have a little issue going on here where it's taking mine a second to add to my account, but y'all just look over that. So go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a $1.50 off one for the Olay body wash. Now those are priced at $7.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.75. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Airwick scented oil products. If you want to pick up these starter kits, those are $3.65 each. Pick up 2 and use the coupon. You're going to pay $4.30 for 2. Moving on down here, we have a 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.85 this week, so pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $2.70 for 2. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Downy products. Now, I'm not sure if these are the ones that we received last week or not, but I do have 2 showing on my account right now, on this account. So the scent beads are on sale, 2 for $9. So if you pick up 2 and have both of those 1 off 1 coupons, you're going to pay $7 for 2. However, just make sure that you don't have those higher value exclusive coupons that we received a few weeks back. Make sure you don't have those on your account before you clip these lower value 1 off 1 coupons. Alright, 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Those are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Post cereals. These are priced at $3.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. However, we do have a pretty awesome deal going on this week. We have a couple of sales. So, one sale is buy 2 for $5. Alright, we have 2 1 off 1 Post cereal digital coupons. So pick up 2 at $5, use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $3 for 2 boxes. We also have another sale, which I believe is kind of like an instant savings. When you buy 3, you're going to save $3. So pick up a total of 3 boxes. That is going to put you at $10.35. After that little instant savings, plus both of those digital coupons come off, you're going to pay $5.35 for 3 boxes. So definitely go ahead and clip that one to your account. Moving on down here, there's that other 1 off 1 Downy. We have the All and Purex. Those are priced at $9, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 1 off 2 for the Eddie's ice creams. These are priced at $3.75. So if you pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. However, we do have a higher value coupon, and that is a 1 off 1. So you can go ahead and clip that 1 off 2 if you want. That's totally up to you. Next up, Quilted Northern 1 off 1. We also have a higher value coupon for this as well. We have a 150 off 1. Now, the 8 mega rolls, those are on sale this week for $8.95. So if you pick up one of those, use the 1 off 1 coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. I have that higher value coupon, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one as well. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Tide Simply. This is on the 92 fluid ounce bottles. These are $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. 1 off 1 for the Sparkle 2 packs. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. 75 cents off for the Milk-Bone dog treats. These start out at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. We have a 1 off 2 for the big stationery products. So we do have pens and pencils that are priced at $2 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. We also have the Bic Extra Fun pencils. Those are on clearance for $1.20 each. If you can find 2 of those, pick those up, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.40 for 2. And this coupon is glitching, so this is working on the Bic Whiteout tape. Those are priced at $1.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.90 for 2. Now I do want to go ahead and mention we did receive another Bic stationery coupon last week, I do believe, and it was working on the $1 Bic Liquid Whiteout. So that coupon does expire today, so if you wanted to get in on that glitch and pick up 2 of the Bic Liquid Whiteouts, that after the coupon you're going to pay $1 for 2. Alright, moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the soft soap. We have this 3 off 2 for the Tresemme products. Now in this week's ad, it does say that we are supposed to have instant savings on Tresemme products. However, that is not showing up under the Tresemme products, so hopefully they will fix that, because that would make for a really good deal on some Tresemme. However, that's not showing up just yet. So the Tresemme products start out at $5. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. Also, a quick note, I do believe that there is a 4 off 2 insert coupon coming in today's save insert, so you may want to take that into account as well while you're clipping your coupons. Now, good news is that this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Tresemme hair masks. Those are priced at $2 each, so if you pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. So I definitely go ahead and clip that one to my account. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Listerine Mouthwash. If you want to pick up the 500 milliliter bottles, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. We have this 1 off 1 for the Nivea body wash. We did receive a higher value coupon last week of $1.50 off 1, so I'm going to pass on that one. We have our 2 off 1 for the pull-ups, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliners, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Moving on down, we have $2.50 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal. So the 8-pound bags are $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Now, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 6.2 pound bags. These are priced at $6.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Alright. Next up, 1 off 2 for the soft soap hand soap. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Degree deodorants. Those are $5.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. We also have 1 off 1 for the Pedialyte. Those are $5. After the coupon, you'll pay $4. 1 off 1 for the Tresemme styling products. So these start out at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. However, we do have that higher value 3 off 2 coupon, and that is working on some of the styling products as well. So I'm going to pass on that one. We have 1 off 2 for the Ricola cough drops. These start out at $2.10. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Alright, 1 off 1 for the Sensodyne or Pro Enamel toothpaste. 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face. Those are priced at $6.75, or they start out at $6.75. After the coupon, $4.75. 1 off 1 for the Dove shampoos and conditioners. Now, these are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. However, I do believe that we have a higher value insert coupon coming in the save insert, so I'm going to hold off on clipping that one for now. just until I can double check today's newspapers. Alright, we have Flonase, Cortisone 10, Clairol, 1 off 1 for the Zevo product. Now this is a new coupon that we haven't had before, so these are priced at $7. After the coupon you're going to pay $6. And those are like some bug sprays, ant killers, stuff like that. Alright, 1 off 1 for the Flintstones. I'm going to pass on this one because I do believe we have either higher value insert coupons or we have a 3 off 1 printable coupon as well. So I'm going to hold off on that one. We have 2 off 1 for the BioFreeze. This product is priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 5 off 2 for the Clairol, 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean. That one still does not attach to anything. 4 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Elvive products. I still do not have those available at my store. We have $1.50 off for the Flonase 12 count. Those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you'll pay $4.25. Alright, moving on down to our DG store coupons. We have 1 off 1 for the True Living Bath Tissue 18 Mega Rolls. Those are priced at $9. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8. 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the vitamin D3 60 count, those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. So pretty good deal there. We have save $2 when you spend $6 on any Believe Beauty products. So these start out at $2.50 and go all the way up to $5.50. So y'all can definitely mix and match on that coupon. We have 1 off 1 for the True Living 24 count family rolls. Those are priced at $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. And last but not least, we have 1 off 1 for the Believe Beauty nail care products. These start out with a lot of the different little nail polishes at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. And this also works on the little nail file blocks. Those are priced at $1.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. So another good little deal right there. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but don't forget that today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event. So if you want to get in on any of those deals, make sure that you head out to DG today. Now if you missed my clearance event video, I have all the information and all the visuals that you will need in that video, and I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So definitely go and check it out before you head out to DG today. And before y'all go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below because y'all know I love hearing from you, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.